Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm about to introduce you to something very big. Welcome to Promptearn. My name is Happiness Elijah and I want to show you how you can make up to $1,000 all by yourself using the Promptearn application. Now this is something people have been doing more than $2,000 and more using this Promptearn application, and you also can do exactly the same for yourself at the comfort of your home. You don't need to kill yourself or find something very complex for yourself. Now, this example I'm showing right now is so simple and basic. But first of all, Promptearn requires some money to get started, but has everything you need to make your first $1,000 all by yourself without you leaving your bedroom. And I'm going to show you this because this is 100% possible and 100% transparent, and it's something you can do because a lot of young people, elderly people, students are doing the same using the Promptearn application. I'm going to show you that shortly. Now to get started, you have to create an account. All you need to do is to click on the create an account button here, and in the create an account page, it requires you to just fill in 4 things: your first name, your last name, your email address, and your password. Mind you, you have to select your country, and yes, where the payment I talked about is. Very simple process, nothing complex, nothing too complicated. And once you sign up, you're just going to verify your email address, and that's all. And once you do that, the next thing you have to do is to sign into your account, and I'm going to sign into my account for you guys right now. Wow, I have successfully logged into my new account on Promptearn. You can see my name here, Happiness Elijah, and of course I'm an affiliate. Now the last thing to do is easy, very simple, 100% simple, easy to do, and without any hustle. It's basically to update your profile. If you click on the update profile, all you just have to do is to input your bank details, your phone number, so that you could receive your payment when you make your money. So I'm going to show you that right now. So you just stick to the video. And here's my profile. This is where you add your account details, account number. Mine is showing this because my account details are already here, but yours won't be showing, so you have to select everything, and that's all. So this is the whole process, very simple to do, and then you're set. Now the next thing you want to do is to go to your dashboard back, and the next thing to do is simple. If you're 100% new to the whole affiliate marketing business thing, how it works, understanding the basics, now this is where the payment I said earlier comes in. It covers both the course and the platform, and this course will show you everything that will guide you through. The course will give you clarity on how to get started, very simple to do and straight to the point, okay? Now if you have gone through the program, then you are good to get started. If you have other questions, you could send me a DM on my WhatsApp. But mind you, this program has its own community that entertain questions. Okay, let's go to the marketplace. You can see this red sign here is showing withdraw funds. It's showing that because today is Saturday. So let's get to the marketplace. Right. Okay. Now here's the marketplace. This is where you make the money we have been talking about. In the marketplace, you could see a lot of amazing products as you're seeing right now. Now you could pick just any product, but I'm going to use this one because it's the best selling one and I will use it as a case study. Now what we want to do is to click on promote. Once you click on that, you're going to see your affiliate link. Now this is a link that does the work for you. Now you want to hold this link because with this link you could sell this product and make up to 50% commission. Yeah, you could just also see the sales page to promotional material to promote this product. The promotional material will be sent to you your Google Drive. So it's very simple and direct process. Now the next thing you want to do is to copy your affiliate link, which is here. Once you have copied that, the next thing you want to do is to promote it, and that's it. So all here is that is showing current sale challenge. There's a sale challenge going on, so you can go through it, and that's all. You could promote this product using any of your social media, but first you need to know what you're promoting. So you go to the sales page to know what are the content of this product. What are they selling, so you don't get stranded in front of your buyers if asked. This information is what you're going to use in promoting this program. Same to other programs in the platform. So what you have to do is to just go through it. It is very simple process and it's 100% guaranteed. When you make a sales, it's record for you. That's all you have to do is just to go through the sales page, understand what the sales page is saying, understand the product, what they are actually selling. These are also the testimonials of successful people in this line, in the business. So you have evidence to show. Now this is the owner of the course, this program, this is the owner. Just read about him. Right, and that's all. Very easy, a simple process, nothing complicated to do. Right? So stick to this channel. In my subsequent videos, I will be teaching how to market this program. But in the meantime, if you want to get started, click on the link on the description, or you can just check my bio. Now if this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up, share with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this. Alright guys, we have come to the end of the video. As you can see, grant me access, just do that. Thanks for watching, share with friends and family.